this video, I will show with you how to get custom license plate in California. So before start this video, subscribe to my channel. Go to this website, guys. Jump this one, as you can see here, for dmv.gov, and then you have this page. From there, click order special personalized place, and then you have special interest and personalized license. This is personalized place order. Take up to 4 months, and thank you for patience. So friends, this is some things before to start. You should be, guys, ordering original requests for gift renewals and replacement. So guys, this is for you should be complete and submit this form, simple form. Just click this one, and then you will see just this PDF form. You should be, guys, for more information, check configuration availability. You should be push in the right one and complete this form. You can see here, this is a PDF form. You have choices here, and you have a section, 6 section. This is for signatures. There should be signatures here, and instructions. There's some instructions. After complete this form, guys, have the registration card for a vehicle available, and plate will be mailed to this address. Have file, and you should be, guys, to updated mailing address, complete and submit this another form for notice. This one, this is for address, guys, changing. After that, click order personalized plate. From here, complete term and knowledge, and click continue. This is for term and conditions. After that, complete the instructions, write your type of vehicles, and then click continue to request to get your custom license plates. I have this guide helpful for you, friends. Don't forget, give me a like and share this video. This is for progress. Just write your type of vehicle.